Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Huzaifa and you are watching U Foundation. This is our first video lecture in which we will going to discuss about how to solve LU factorization algorithm of any given matrix. For solving LU factorization, there are two basic concepts we have to remember. The first one is reduce A to an echelon form U by sequence of row replacement operations if possible. We have to reduce A by using row replacement operation into echelon form. The second one is place entries in L such that the same sequence of row operations reduce L into I. I will be the identity matrix of the A. In this we have to put the entries from the table A like matrix into L. This is the matrix we have to solve by LU factorization. You can see the first column that is starting from 2, -4, 2 and -6. This is our first column of our matrix. Then we will have to find the pivot element. It is above all the entries that will be below. This is the pivot element in this will be 2. Then we have to divide all of these below by 2. For solving LU factorization, we must have L that would be a 4x4 matrix, and here we have L that is 4x4 matrix 1 0 0 0, and then we have sterics. These sterics are indicating the place of entries we have to put from the next step. Okay, for finding the first column of L, we have to divide first column of A from the table we have above by its pivot element and place it into the first column of L. After dividing the first column with the pivot element -2, we will get the values -2, 1, -3. These values will be written in the first column of L, where we have sterics before. Our next step will be row operation. Here you can see row 2 will be added to 2 multiplied by row 1. Then row 3 will be subtracted by row 1. Row 4 will be added to 3 multiplied by row 1. Then we will get a matrix after solution, the second one. Okay, here you can see the 3. 3 is our next pivot element. So we divide all the entries below the pivot element from the second column. Then we will get -3 and 4 in second column of L. In next step we will again perform row operation, that will be R4 minus 2 multiplied by R3. After solving this we will have the following matrix. Here you can see we have put it 0 0 0 in the below entries. That will be automatically we get after solving row operation. Here you can see all the below entries are 0 and the above are non-zero. Then you can say it as a U part of the LU factorization. And finally we have the solution of our LU factorization algorithm, that is written A is equal to LU. Thanks for watching video. I hope that it will be helpful. Thank you so much.